Woodward is kind of like this mecca for all action sports. You have professionals or beginners from all types of sport, like a breeding ground for progression and athletes, really. The more I started traveling, the more I started to try and visit these other Woodward facilities. They all have their own kind of flavor and different setups. It was pretty rad to use it as a training tool, especially when I was competing often and trying to stay sharp. Woodward invited me down for a few days while I was in the area to come ride some of the outdoor stuff. We got to glide around in one of the new WRXs, so that was a pretty cool experience to kind of have free reign at Woodward. Seeing this crossover between Subaru Motorsports, who I'm racing with, and Woodward, which is like a very close connection, what I've done on the mountain bike side, it just seems like such an awesome relationship and coincidentally seemed to work out in the best way possible. Advice to campers visiting Woodward, I would say just have fun. That's the idea of sport for me, is it's got to be fun. If it's not fun, what's really the point in doing it? Take advantage of the opportunity and enjoy it and meet new people, because you're going to be with kids from all around the world with the same ambitions and enjoy whatever sport you're exploring. It's such a cool place, so I just take it all in.